new kingdoms in North India. As the power of the Sultanate gradually declined, the number of new kingdoms arose in different parts of the subcontinent. Most of them began as provinces of Sultanate but later became independent province. Rajputs. A Rajput, it's a word from Sanskrit. Rajaputra means son of a king. A Rajput is a member of one of the patrilineal clans of Western, Central, Northern India and some parts of Pakistan. They claim to be descendants of a ruling Hindu warrior classes of North India. There are several major subdivisions of Rajputs known as Vansh or Vamsha that step below the superdivision Jati. Three primary Vansh are Surya Vanshi, denotes descent from the solar deity Surya. Chandra Vanshi, from the lunar deity Chandra, and Agni Vanshi, from the fire deity Agni. 36 royal Rajput clans were listed by the Oriental scholar James Todd. Pratiharas. Harichandra founded the Pratihara kingdom. The Pratiharas were Indian dynasty that ruled a large kingdom in northern India from the 6th to the 11th centuries. However, the political history of the Pratiharas was marked with their career of enormous warfare. The Pratihara dynasty declined after the defeat of Mahibala in the hands of the Rashtrakutas. Taking the advantages of the decline, various vassals and feudatories under the imperial Pratihara rulers began to rise in revolt. The weak Pratihara rulers were unable to bring them back in subjection and were forced to recognize their independence. Palas. The Pala Empire originated from 8th to 12th century and was a dynasty which controlled Bihar and Bengal. The name Pala is a synonym for protector and was used as an ending to the names of all Pala monarchs. The founder of the Pala dynasty was Gopala. He came to power in 750 AD and was the first independent Buddhist king of Bengal by democratic election. The Palas were supporters of Buddhism, and it was through missionaries from their kingdom that Buddhism was finally established in Tibet. Under Pala patronage, a distinctive school of art arose, of which many noteworthy sculptures in stone and metal survive, the Chauhans. Rajput Bardic accounts describe the Chauhans as one of the four Agnikula Rajput clans which claim to have originated from a sacrificial fire pit called Agnikunda at Mount Abu to fight against the Asuras or demons, whereas in context Agnikula is considered as another branch of Surya Vanshi Rajput descent. In 1301, Alauddin Khilji captured Ranthambore and uprooted the last stronghold of the Chauhan power.